kita mo ito yung mga tapos yung senior, di ba? Kita mo ito, si Kuan. Nagsir, okay, kaya bisa na. So, but, kamu, ayaw lang yung pasagdahin. Kupya ka sila ninyo. Hindi ka mo po at tinindir mo. Diba? Ayaw mo yung kupya nga. Ikaw, tinindir ka, under 31 ka. Yan, but, you don't get that yours. Pero sa test man lang, sa sunod year, may yung mga, ay at least man lang, 31 kong karoon, ang vision kong buwan, may commands ko at least under 21 ko. Or bisa ka, kaya pero may nagang 31. Iba lang nakatuloy, kumaligap, 31 nagyan ko sa video, di ba? Okay, matap na sila balibon. So, ito ano, because isa kita na importante. Okay? So, muna nga, analyze the information. Okay? Now, even the top notchers, bitawon sa inyong agency, ang top notchers, kung sa may praktika, naghatag nila, dako nga contribution, kung becoming ang top notcher. Kasi, usara ko, tiyan namin, 40 million. Why? In 16, receiving years mo inahalin. Ikaw, halit ako sa kagatos na rin, hanggang 51 ka pagyapon. Kagatos ka unit, 1 unit lang, 40 million na, di ba? Oo. Ano ba, usara ka unit yan namin. Bada, ayaw pa kaya nagana. Mga chamba na nila. Diba? Pero huwag ihalin, huwag ito chamba. Ano gusto? Huwag ito chamba. So, i-mo nang i-analyze ang information. Now, then at the end of the year, look at the findings. Okay? Look at your findings. That's why yung ko nga, the best source of information sana nga makapatabang dito sa mga developer are we agents. We agents. You know, if the developer will be very happy to welcome you na design marketing manager, tawagan mo. Pwede na mag-breakfast, ikaw lang ba breakfast, pero tagaan ka, hindot kayo ng itsura sa merkado. Nung siya biya, kedua ko mag-breakfast. Pero hindot kayo mo dito, di ba? Yun naman siya na siya naman. Ayot, nakukulo, tradisyon. Di ba? Kaya, hindi kayo, what yun na? Starbucks na tayo. But because the data is very valuable to our developers. Very valuable. You know, dahil ang mga system capture na naman. But you know, what the developers cannot capture, okay, maimong makapture, ang behavior scientists. Okay. They will do the price. Malayo, ano ang pupahan sa mga buyers? Ikaw, tibaw ka na. Okay? Kung may behavior sa buyer, ikaw, tibaw ka na. Eyeball to eyeball experience. Diba? Okay? That's why you buy because you know, if the eyeball to eyeball experience can also translate into good sales, then you can give them a good advice. Now, the thing is, our sellers, our developers, if you give them good advice, if you give them good data, di ka na malintan nila. Di ka na malintan. Okay? Gawa sa atong mahal mga sales. Kasi ka present kung kita dito, brochure ako, i-zero ka. So siya, kana si Juan, di pa na broker, statistician na. Mahal na si statistics. So, what do you say? So, when you present the findings, okay, findings inyo, present ninyo to yourself, to your individual agency, to a group of brokers, okay? Like, if you become, like me here, we'll be talking about certain then I can present my findings to you. Okay? I can tell you my story, I can tell you my experience. It's present findings. Then, your audience, with the seller or buyer, when we can make the best decision, you'll be happy. It's not just the happiness of your client, it's also your happiness. It's not just your happiness, but his happiness. But if you are happy together, then you have built a relationship. Remember, marketing, selling, real estate brokerage, everything boils down to relationships. Okay? You will thrive in this business because you can establish good relationships with your clients. Whether your clients are buyers, whether your clients are sellers. That's why successful brokerage doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. But if it happens to you overnight, it's chamba. But along the way, you have to build relationship. And you can only build a good, solid relationship with your clients when you are able to deliver to them good information that let them make a good decision. Kaya bang ibalik na ito mga salamat yung kayo na imo kung gusultihan mo. I remember one of my clients, when I told him he issued a check to me, okay, half of my tuition, 1.7 million. I told him, I said, no, very, thank you very much. You made me. You made me rich today. Yeah, that's my expression really. You made me rich today. Well, I good job. See? It is one of my fastest transactions and I'm very happy about it. You deserve it. Di ba? Ay mo pili. You deserve it. Di ka mag-fight. So, na nga itong happiness. We're able to build a relationship. The relationship that they cannot easily forget. Because real estate brokerage, success in real estate brokerage takes time. And we have to build relationships from day one of our practice up to the time that we will still be practicing. I told myself, even if I'm 90 years old, I will still practicing. I will be still in real estate. Not me being in real estate where everybody else is doing, but I will still be in real estate. Okay? Building resistance of the exercise. Because we will do marketing research to serve our clients, whether they are buyers or sellers. Give them best information in allocation of their scarce resources, give them the best return on investment, give them the largest happiness, and at the end of the day, we are able to build good relationships. That's all. That's all. You can go back to the books and look at marketing research, but at the end of the day, that's it all. That's it all. And I always go to that essence. Okay? When I look at any subject in real estate, I always look at the essence of the subject. Because, you know, so many people are very conscious about the form. You can have the form, all this is statistics, that form. But at the end of the day, what is the essence of this exercise? Diba? It's like in school. Okay? When you have your diploma, you have it in the world. Okay? Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Science of Commerce. Okay? These are form. But what is the essence of the diploma? So that it will help you, okay, pursue happiness in your life. Okay? That's the essence. This is diploma just for decoration. Diba? Kung ato ka sa probinsya, mabugado ka, butayan na yung kag. Karagula. Abogado. Notaryo publiko. Okay? Kuya, kakuman. Abogado, notaryo publiko. May trabaho ka sa gobyerno. May trabaho ka, nag-notaryo tinuod ka, ito sa City Hall. Kung banad lang kung dawat lang 20 pesos, tanang dokumento imong inutuloy siya buhat ka. Ang napirma. Okay, asa naman ang essence? Sa imong notaryo publiko, abogado, no ang essence, diba? That's why at the end of this exercise, at the end of our brokerage practice, when we started, when we pursue it, when we do marketing research, the essence is, we are successful because we are able to give the best information and build our relationships with our clients. Whether they are senior or whether they are minor. Whether they are our peers or our competitors. Okay? Build our relationship. That's the essence of this. I can give you a picture of marketing. Now, unique selling proposition. After you have a marketing research, if you are a seller, you undertake a project. You plan which category of project you are going to pursue. Any project that you will do, any property that you are going to develop, and anything that you are going to sell, you must develop the ability to know what is the unique selling proposition of your product. Okay? Why? Because, remember ang isulti ninyo na before na only when the perceived benefit of a product exceeds the price The perceived benefit of the product on the part of the buyer. When the perceived benefit of the product exceeds its price, that's the only point where buyers will buy. Okay? Diba? Dili siya maka-ingon nga short change ko. Diba? Ano ba tayo ng expression? Look, I'm short change this project. Didn't they become remorseful buyer? Diba? Kami na yung experience buyers ng reservation na. Diba? Kunya after 30 days, back out. Diba? Now, did you try to examine or investigate what are the reasons why they back out? Diba? Bakit? Hindi naman sila tayo magkagada na. May mga nagpuso, why? Hindi ko out mo. Diba? O ba ni? Nagkakas-advance mga diba? Sabi nga na, nagkakong nagkakagilip naman. Diba? I remember I have a legend before. He was very quick in selling. Pagkawa siya, training ta ka reservation. But siya training ta, by TV and backup. But you know, he was earning not from commission. From early incentive. Tingin ka by 30. So nag-use nila na incentive. Eh, ikaw na! Ano ba? Okay? So na yan ba din? Back out. But this is not the way. That's not the way. Because, kato nga po mga imong mga remorseful buyer. Samtang maghinulsudo siya, nakabayad na siya 15,000. Mag-imagine na po sa imong naong. Ay, hindi hagyot pagkamayin ng istorya. Murag, dili na yun siya magabalibat. Ma'am, pinakagwapo gini ngayon, sir. Pinakagwapo nilong location. Kasi nagkakal yung buyer ni. Nag-ilog ka ba sa Javita, kini may biniparain mo. Okay? Kaya pag magbayad niya, pagkaugma. Kasi niya, matay na itong nag-design. Oh! Nalami ka? Remorseful buyer. Ang tawag na muna, remorseful buyer. Kanang he became sober. Pero wala na hubog sa imong explicar. Kasi siya pag-tays. Sige siya paminaw mo. Tays. Matan niya. Hindi mo rin ako. Ha? Eh, katawa mo eh. Binaw pa na. Tayo na sila. Labi na na siya. Mall. May sibita. Kung di na nindutan ng mga balay na tutang mall. Mga ito, transparent. Kitang ba ito? Ang bukong transparent. Diba? Pwede nyo dito ta. Inungdong ko siya kung ainti nga, nag-isibit niyo Memorial Park. Matangay ng sitigan. O niya, bata na ko na. Tingnan niya mama, undot pa kayong ubas gig. Mama, ano eh? Ano yung tapuyuan mo ha? Hindi na po magpong. Sumpa ko ulit. Stereo na. Naman, paano kung kayo natong na skill model, di ba? Wow, landscaping. Okay. So, nakita ka na. Kaya tanawan mo brochure. Kapalito na yung ka. Okay ba? After 1 week, kasi ka-producing mo mga financial obligation. Ano decision? Realize ka na, hindi na po the best decision. So, sige yun, mas mahal na ng mga katsik at 10,000. Katsik ako video. What? Diba? Oh, diba? Ayaw mo kandong anak, ang mga 40. Because Camilla Group, CNP Homes, profited 100 million income tax. 1997, interest na bidding sa company. Government bid it out to the developers that will develop the property of Camp-Channing. Minimum development cost is about 1 billion. So, they put in a 10% deposit. That's as a minute. So, my friend Jun Tagod was then the marketing area, the manager of holdings. He became the investment manager of CNP Homes. Para siya sa Ayala. Kaya nagkalaan doon sa 100 million, that's the bidding. Pag kumat nag-review ang figures,